everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon and welcome back. If you are interested in video production, making money online, tutorials and business, then please consider subscribing as that's what I make content about every single day. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to record and edit audio in Audacity. For those of you who don't know what Audacity is, it's basically a software that you can use to record your voice, basically audio, and edit it up, and well, it's self-explanatory. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I am on Audacity right now, and this is the interface you'll be greeted with. So as you can see here, you got things such as file, edit, select, view, transport, and all this type of stuff. Tracks, obviously the one that is essential. Add stuff like mono track, stereo track, label, and mute and stuff like that, but not the one we're going to be focusing on. The one we're going to be focusing on is specifically this. Now obviously, where you get to obviously customize everything. So you go between MME, Windows Direct Sound, and Windows, whatever the hell that's even called. And you can choose the microphone you want to use. So Microsoft Sound Map and all that stuff. And you get to choose your recording channel and where you're going to be. And this is basically where you decide where you want to hear the audio from. Now obviously, I need to click on my microphone, which is the USB audio. And let me just record something real quick. Yeah guys, so this is basically, I'm speaking using my microphone right now, and this is basically what it looks like when you're recording with Audacity. Pretty nice in my opinion. Let's just have a listen to that. Yeah guys, so this is basically, I'm speaking using my microphone right now, and this is basically what it looks like when you're recording with Audacity. Pretty nice in my opinion. Yeah, so as you can see, you've got the audio waves and all that stuff there. Let's just try and edit a few things up. So let's try and cut out some of the pauses, if you will. So we'll start off around there. Well, look at that. Now, let's start from the beginning. And as you can also see, you can move the audio track around as well. I don't see why you'd want to do that though, unless you're trying to sync some things up. So let me just finish. So let me just finish cutting the stuff up, and then, well, I'll go on again. So as you can see, I've just finished. Cutting everything up and syncing it. Well, basically making everything smooth. So let's have a listen. Yeah, guys. So this. Yeah, guys. Not gonna lie, I don't know why I just found that pretty funny. But yeah, let's have a listen again. Yeah guys, so this is basically, I'm speaking using my microphone right now. Yeah guys, so I don't know why, but I find that really funny for some weird reason. Shortened up, so listen now. Yeah guys, so this is basically, I'm speaking using my microphone right now, and this is basically what it looks like when you're recording with Audacity. Pretty nice in my opinion. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We can also adjust the volume and everything like that, so if it's too loud, then maybe you want to consider turning the volume down. Oh, well, yeah, so let's just, well, you can obviously decrease and increase. Yeah, you can also do the same with your microphone as well. I don't see why you'd want to reduce the volume on your microphone though, but, well, if that's what you feel you need to do, then do it. So we can add all sorts of effects here. We can add, for example, we can change pitch, so let's have a look at what that does. Okay, let's have a listen. Yeah guys, so this is, yeah guys, it doesn't really do anything. Bruh. Let's have a listen. Right, let's so we have distortion, of course. Let's have a look at that does. And this is the part, right, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. They got some stuff here that I know how to use. Soft clipping. Yeah, you can barely even hear what I'm saying at this point. And that is how you record and edit audio using Audacity. And that is basically how you record and edit audio with Audacity. I'm not gonna lie, an audio expert would do a better job than I did showing you how to use Audacity, but there we are. If this video helped you out in any way, then please consider subscribing for more. Leave a like and share as well to boost the video in the algorithm. And if you have any questions or anything, then please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to respond when I can. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in an upcoming video. Take care, everyone.